Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add Favicon on Shopify. By Favicon or small icon that will appear up here on the tab of your store, and you can see that I currently have the default world Favicon that it gives you, and most people put their company logos here, something that relates to your store or the web page. So to do this, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click online store. Under sales channels, click themes and click customize. Then on the left corner, click theme setting. To the right side, click Favicon. Next, click select image. That image here will be the same beside Favicon. Now, click upload. Click the image and click open. In this side, you will see this like the same picture. And go down and click select. The most important is click disable. Now, if we go to here, we will see on the top that the Favicon is uploaded here. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.